Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this we are going to carry on with our series Linux for DevOps. So in today's tutorial we are going to write a shell script by using if statement. So this by using this if statement we are going to compare two numbers. So for if statement, first you should make sure that you know the syntax. What is the syntax for the if statement? So over here I am displaying the syntax of this if statement. Kindly remember each and every space over here itself counts. So if you are not giving the space in the front and at the end, it will give you an error. That I will show you. So every indentation of the script is important, that we are going to follow in our shell script. So let's go ahead and create the shell script as hands-on. So let's name the file as if statement. If statement.sh. So let's insert. So we will start with shebang. /bin/bash enter. So now first we will print the statement. Enter two numbers for comparison. Okay. Now we will take the input of those two numbers and save it in two variables. The first variable would be num1, second variable would be num2. Now, so till now we have printed one statement. We have taken two inputs, that is num1 and num2. Now we are going to write our if statement. So let's start writing it. If, as I said, space bracket. So over here I am going to use our num1 values that we have got as input. So we are going to use the compare operator equal to. Now over here num2. So let's do enter, then, and over here we will print the statement. So if num1 is equal to num2, we will print a message provided numbers are equal. Now before writing the shell script, I told you that the if statement indentation is very important. So now I have made a mistake which will show you the criticality of this indentations. So I'm sure this is going to throw an error. So let's see in real time what exactly these errors are. So now we have created a new file. So first let's provide the execute permission. So exit permission for if. Okay, we have provided the execute permission now. /if. So to see. So in if statement I got an error. So now I will show you why we got an error. So as I told you before, each and every space over here in the statement, if statement, if else if, is very important. So we used the expression, and in expression I missed to provide a space in the start and in the end. So now I am going to change it in front of you. So I am just doing this purposely so you can understand how critical the indentation is. So now see, over here I am going to give a space, and at the end I am going to give a space. That's it, no other change. Now let's run the program. Okay, 2 2. See, provided numbers are equal. So guys, in this tutorial what we saw, we compared two numbers using if statement, and we also saw how we are going to use the if templates, what are the indentations, how we have to be careful about the indentations. So thank you for watching the lecture. See you soon. Goodbye.